Good morning, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and it is day 2 of Royalty Exotics Rally. The officers are filming. All the supercars in the rear view, and then a bunch ahead of us too. Look at this rock formation. It's almost a tunnel. That is sick. Today we're headed all the way from Lake Powell to Scottsdale, Arizona, where we're attending a car show. Last time I was in Scottsdale, I was unbelievably impressed with the car scene, so I'm excited to see what Arizona has to offer. People enjoying the supercars at the gas station. This is incredible. What do you think?
Here, you gotta get your picture.
This is exactly what they were saying. Maybe we can sit in there.
Now, I'm pretty sure what the result is going to be, but I am really curious. In a race of the Shelby GT500 versus the 720S, which one comes out on top from a 40 roll? Obviously, the 720, a lot more aerodynamic. It weighs so much less, it's not even funny. But we do have more horsepower in the GT500, so hopefully we can get a couple roll races out there. Something I had no idea we were going to get to experience today is the fact that we're driving through Grand Canyon National Park. Here we go, entering Grand Canyon National Park. Pretty sick group of cars going through the Grand Canyon. We got Mario shooting rollers out of the 599. Well, unfortunately, the camera doesn't remotely do the Grand Canyon justice, but check this out. The scale of this is unbelievable. It actually looks like a green screen. It doesn't even look real.
See the view? It's unbelievable. It doesn't do it justice.
The southern the canyon is so big for me. Finito.
Wide angle?
Where'd you learn those filming skills?
Influencers in the wild.
Nice. Legitimately, I wonder how many Koenigsegg's have ever been to the Grand Canyon, whether this is the first one or not. That's pretty crazy. Absolutely gorgeous scenery out here. 7,000 feet of elevation. There's actually some snow-capped mountains up ahead. We've got 24 miles till the gas station and 22 miles of range. Wish me luck. I don't know what type of trees these are, but I love them. These homes out here look surreal. Man. It's always interesting to me on a rally how the cars do range-wise. So the Mustang has a 16-gallon tank. The Huracan Evo has an 18-gallon tank. And the 720S has a 16-gallon tank. Me and the 720 filled up at the same gas station, and we both ended up at this gas station with about 3 or 5 miles till empty, whereas the Huracan Evo has half a tank of gas still. Benefits of naturally aspirated versus forced induction. Now entering Flagstaff, full tank of gas now, and it says I have 136 miles of range. That's unreal. Little installation of the Koenigsegg roof. That was easy. You guys got some impressive merch, this barbecue spot. Portable gas station, gets me every time.
Hey, it can't be worse than his parts, dude.
You're farting in my car?
No, what I'm saying is the GT500 shits on people.
All right, I like it. But before we continue, guys, I want to give a special shout out to the sponsor of today's video and my favorite mobile app ever, Roadster. If you're a car enthusiast, you gotta have Roadster. I've met so many cool people on this app. Not only can you share pictures of your car, add cars to your garage, but you can also see local events in your area, and you can also create drives for you and your friends, and even raise money for charity. Check out all these local events to me right now. I want to go to the shitbox rally. I had such a fun time hosting my last Roadster meetup and drive. I'm going to be hosting another one in the next couple of weeks, but I'm only going to be announcing the time and location on the Roadster app. So make sure to download the app and follow me on Roadster so you can make it to the next event. As expected, the 720S walked the GT500, but man, Those McLarens are no joke, seriously. That F8's got downpipes and a tune, and oh my god, does that thing rip. From the factory, the F8s are crazy fast, particularly with the gearing. It's like a significant difference compared to the 488. But man, with downpipes and a tune, that was nuts. And I don't know what's happening, but I guess it's a giant roll race. Well guys, we just made it to our final destination, the W Hotel in Scottsdale, Arizona, which concludes day 2 of the Royalty Rally. Some epic stuff coming up in the next few days, so make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. We're at the Vault in Scottsdale, Arizona, where they have some of the coolest cars, both on the wall, on the ground, and around the building. I'm gonna show you around. Well, here's something incredibly unique. Tell me what's done to your 993 Porsche.
How you doing? So this is one of one. This is a air-cooled, water-cooled Porsche. What we have here is a supercharger, which you won't see very often on an air-cooled Porsche. Has an air-to-water intercooler right here, but we're chilling the intercooler using the Freon from the AC compressor, which is pretty different.
That is unbelievable.
So technically speaking, it's a Freon-cooled, water-cooled, air-cooled 911.
Unreal. And it looks like a GT2. How cool is this? So I noticed that the tachometer is actually rotated, and the reason he decided to do that is that so you could see the red line more easily from the driver's seat to shift. I love that idea. Saw this thing a couple weeks ago, Creative Bespoke 720 GTR, almost kind of looks like a Senna. We've got the Aston Martin 177 with what has to be one of the coolest license plates I've ever seen. If you know, you know. That is unbelievable. Check out the interior of this thing. And the backdrop with just all the amazing cars on the wall. That is so cool. Cool looking GT500. I really like this orange color, and I have to say I am jealous that this guy has the carbon fiber track pack. Got those carbon fiber wheels, that carbon fiber track package wing. Gorgeous 993 turbo. So funny enough, this car is actually near and dear to my heart, even though I've never had one. For those of you who have been subscribed for a while and remember Candace, the Gallardo that I had, when I wrapped it blue, I did accents just like the Spider Performante and did the same wing, and pretty much wished that my car was one of these. The interiors on these things are pretty damn cool. Look at all the carbon fiber and Alcantara, those doors. Check it out, a roof scoop 600 LT leaving the show. Epic to see one of these on the road, BAC mono. I was curious if they were legal in Arizona, which I'm actually not sure the answer to that, but it is California plated, one of the rare places in the United States where you can drive these on the road. I mean, it's literally, basically a mini Formula One car that's road legal. So sick. Gorgeous 765 LT with a roof scoop, and check it out, another 600 LT with a scoop. And the license plate on this car is absolutely unbelievable. It's got an aftermarket wing, which you don't typically see on 600s because of the top mounted exhaust. But look at this, this guy's license plate literally just says scoop. I'm so jealous. Here's something familiar, Heritage livery Ford GT. I love these cars so much. I've got no clue what this thing is, but this is cool. That is awesome. Ford GT heading out. That is so sick. Oh my God, that sounds good. Rev it up. Take it easy. 536. Beautiful GT2 RS. Now that is riding comfortable in a 599. I don't actually know whose foot that is, but that's amazing.